There's this really cool ancient art form called Suminagashi,
which translates to floating ink. And just look how neat these paintings are. It originated in Japan over 2,000 years ago.
And it's actually surprisingly simple to do in today's modern time. It only requires a few materials. Oh, I thought that would go in one snip. Hold on. The grand reveal for the materials that you need right here. It's simple. I have done it one time before down at the river, and it was actually such a fun and satisfying process. That's what we're doing, but today I'm gonna teach you how to do it from the comfort of your own home. I'm also going to experiment and see what happens when I transfer the design to 3 other types of materials. So first thing you need is a tray of water. The size of the tray just has to be bigger than whatever paper you're using. We're using just regular printer paper, so that'll do just fine. And technically, any sort of container like this, as long as it can hold water, will work.
Which means you could do it in a bathtub, or a cute little one in a bowl, or even, wait, no, that's too far.
We're back to regular, non-toilet bowl water, thankfully. So let's keep going. This is India ink. You can also get something called Sumi ink. Both work the same and both are found pretty cheap online.
After lots of trial and error, I've found that diluting it with a bit of water helps create the best results.
So we've got our nice ink mixture done, boom. And then now we prepare some water and dish soap. Like that much water and then a little bloop of dish soap, not too much. Next, you take your 2 paintbrushes with pointy tips and you dip one into the ink and the other one into the soap. And now the fun begins. Are you ready? Because it's about to get crazy. So alternating back and forth, just very lightly touch the surface of the water. Ink, soap, ink, soap. And pretty soon, look at that. You can see the design start to form. Isn't that crazy? Look how cool this is. And you can do whatever you want. This isn't school, there's no rules here. Just have fun with it. Like, it's crazy, look at that. It's so satisfying. Okay, one more over here. And then once you're happy with how it looks, grab a piece of paper, and this is where it switches from relaxing mode to intense mode. Are you ready? You gotta be so careful here. I'm just kidding, it's actually really easy. You just lay it down in the water, bloop, like that, and then watch, it soaks up all the ink. Look at that. Now you just wanna let it chill for like 20, 30 seconds so it imprints perfectly. And then really carefully, now you're gonna peel up the piece of paper, starting at one end. Careful not to rip it. Look at that. And then you can transfer it on some cardboard or a piece of Bristol board, whatever you got, and then that'll help keep it nice and flat while it dries. Let's do some more.
I'll be honest, I don't fully understand the science behind all this. Something to do with the water tension and I don't know, but I kind of like the mystery of it. It's all part of the creative magic. Honestly, I could do this all day long. It's such a relaxing and satisfying process.
This one's like the rings of a tree or a ripple effect. It's so cool. In goes the paper. Wait a little bit. And that's it. That's literally all there is to it. I am starting to get curious about what other materials it'll transfer to. Because paper's cool and all, but I'm curious. We gotta find out what happens. I'm gonna lay these ones out in the sun to dry, but yesterday I did make some so you can see what the final result will look like. I put them under some books so they'd flatten even more, but check these out. Here's a look at what the finished dried pieces look like. I love this one. Look at that. Oh no, I just laid them in water. They're made from water, so it's probably fine. Look how cool it is. So you can hang it up like this, you can frame it, whatever you want. Okay, oh my goodness. So I just got a big water spot now. I just wanted to show the dried ones, but now they're getting wet. But that's what they look like on paper. Now it's time for our experiment to see what other materials it transfers to, starting with wood. Okay, now for the moment of truth. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I chose a scrap piece of wood that was lighter, not like a dark color, so I'm hopeful, but let's find out. Can it transfer to wood? Oh, sort of. I don't know why there's a dry spot. Maybe there was an air pocket under there or something. But look, that kind of works. I'm doing it again. Another piece of scrap wood. All right, fully covered now. It's definitely a bit faded, but it kind of works. Our next material test is this, some DIY homemade paper that I made recently. Going in for a nice bath. Whoa. Whoa, because it's way thinner instantly. It just transfers. That's crazy. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, it ripped apart. Can I save it? Oh no, it's just falling apart. It's just a ball of crumbling mess. Does it transfer to DIY paper? No. It is cool to hang up your Suminagashi artwork, but what if you could wear it? Am I about to invent the next biggest fashion trend? We're about to find out. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Kind of want it right across the front. Oh, it's looking like it's sort of transferred. Here we go. Oh, it got water everywhere. Whoa! Yeah, it's on there. Look at that. There was a crease down the middle, which kind of fumbled it, but hopefully I don't mess up the hat. Oh, almost spilled the ink. Not really. I don't know about the clothes. Darn, no fashion award for me. But it was a fun little experiment. Whew, sweaty. And now I'm refreshed. But yeah, stick to regular paper. It's fun, easy, and looks really great. Thanks for watching if you're still here, and I'll see you on the next one.